All right, so in this video, I'm going to be reviewing CompanyCam. So at this point, we've only been using it for a few weeks, but the value is definitely there, 100%. So what we currently use this for is, so our process works, a customer calls in, we give them an approximate price over the phone. If they would like to basically move forward, we schedule an on-site consultation where we charge $75 to go out, just to remove tire kickers. And then at that point, our supervisor TJ will actually do the whole consultation. Basically measure the yard and all that kind of stuff. And then from there, he's going to upload videos and photos. So the videos is basically an installer note that basically tells us, and it's also for the office manager as well when she's performing the quote, is basically what's going on, what kind of issues there may be, all that kind of stuff. You also go over the layout and that kind of thing, and put the measurements and all that kind of stuff. And then you also go in there and do before and after photos as well. So you have all this here, and basically what we have is you can tag them as well. So depending on where they are at in the property, or if this this is the after, and then it has everything and it works. At the end of the day, it's just really simple to use, and it just works. So if you're looking for a way to basically allow your team to document the process, all that kind of stuff, you can easily do that. You can obviously put in like a description if you want to do that. And then you can also tie this into the other programs as well. They have some, let me go into, actually, where would that be? Sign out. So they also have where they can integrate within different softwares as well. Oops, I keep on logging myself back in. Okay. Solutions, I believe it's there. Sync, no, share. So they have it where you can basically share the information as well. And they even have the reports and whatnot you can do, which is pretty cool as well. And then where you share the photos, you can even have this thing set up where you are doing it with your, you can share it with the homeowners as well, so they can see progress pictures and all that kind of stuff. And the really cool thing with that is they can actually start sharing that with their friends and family as well. So it's a good opportunity to have your stuff being shared on Facebook without you actually having to do that. Let me go into here, CompanyCam integrations. Oops. So what they have in here, CompanyCam, partner network. I know it's not even that. There's only a handful of course I can't find it right now. But I believe it works with Job Nimbus integrations. Oh, here we go. So Job Nimbus, Contractors Cloud. These I don't have a lot of familiarity with. Zapier, we use that all the time. Team of Alice Pro. So basically, it's mostly Job Nimbus. We've had previous experience with this. We haven't integrated with it just because I realized pretty quickly that Job Nimbus was not going to be the software we're going to use full time. So we end up stop using that. But anyway, it makes it super helpful. At the end of the day, it just works, because a lot of times when you're using software and whatnot, if it doesn't just work and it's not really simple to use, then your crews aren't going to be able to use it, or they just won't use it. They'll make all kinds of excuses. But with this, you literally just click on a button. When you open up the app on your phone, basically it's, if the project, the address and whatnot's already in the system, basically you do that on your end where you put it in the system, And then from there, what happens is when the crews use the app, as soon as they open it up, it's going to realize that they are close, for this person, Samantha Rock. So if we were there, and my crew was there, well, when they open up the app, it's going to show like the locations that are nearest to them. And because this project's right there, well, then they can automatically upload the files and everything else, or just take a picture and upload it from there. So it makes it super, super simple. I know I said this several times, but the thing is so simple to use. So it's almost, there's no way of someone not knowing how to use this program. So it seems very intuitive. It's a newer program, but it seems like it's going to be, a behemoth, from what I can tell. So anyway, if you're on the fence of if you're going to use this or not, I would definitely check it out. At least get the free trial. They are super helpful. And then as far as pricing, it's really not that much. It's like anything else. So we're going to here. I did try the free. The only problem is the user limit and the project limit. So the user limit, you can add as many users, up to 3 users, which would be, for myself, TJ, my supervisor, like that kind of thing. The project limit. So the project is actually the houses, so those addresses. So you can put in that. And it basically has everything else. Except for you're not able to take like videos or do the reports or before and after. So there's a lot of stuff that is missing within here. And then you can go to the Pro, which, for the year, it's, $16 for the year, or $16 a month if you buy for the year, and $19 per user. So anyway, it works. It does a great job. If you're thinking about it, just try it and you will probably like it like I do.